In the whirlwind world of reality television, few stars have captured the public's fascination quite like Tammy Slaton of 1000 LB Sisters. Her unapologetic personality, raw honesty, and harrowing journey with obesity and health complications have made her both a fan favorite and a lightning rod for our controversy. Now, in a shocking turn of events that's sending ripples through the 1000 LB Sisters fanbase, Tammy's infamous ex-partner has resurfaced, bringing with him a storm of drama, allegations, and unexpected twists that no one saw coming. It's a revelation that has reopened old wounds, stirred up passionate online discourse, and forced Tammy to once again confront a turbulent chapter of her past she thought was long buried. The former flame in question is none other than Philip Redmond, better known by his online moniker, BBW King. Known for his unapologetic attraction to plus-sized women and brash online persona, Philip gained widespread attention and criticism when he publicly dated Tammy Slaton during the earlier seasons of the show. Their relationship, documented both on screen and through fiery social media exchanges, quickly spiraled into a tabloid-fueled chaos marked by accusations of manipulation, toxic behavior, and emotional instability. While Tammy initially defended the relationship, insisting that she deserved love in all its messy forms, fans and family alike expressed deep concern over Philip's influence on her mental and physical health. Their eventual breakup was as explosive as their time together, complete with cryptic Instagram posts, live stream meltdowns, and the infamous claim that Philip only dated Tammy for clout. For nearly 2 years, Philip disappeared from the public eye, seemingly content to let his brief brush with fame fade into obscurity. But that silence has now been shattered. In a series of Instagram lives and TikTok videos that have rapidly gone viral, Philip has re-emerged, this time with bold claims, damning receipts, and a mission to set the record straight. In his unfiltered rants, he alleges that not only was he misunderstood, but that Tammy and the TLC production team manipulated the public narrative to cast him as the villain. He accuses producers of editing footage to make him look controlling, and he even suggests that Tammy was encouraged to act out certain storylines to maintain ratings. These claims, while unverified, have sparked intense debate among fans and reality TV insiders. Some believe Philip is simply chasing clout again, while others argue his perspective deserves to be heard in the ongoing discourse about authenticity in reality programming. But the drama doesn't stop there. In one particularly explosive video, Philip claims he and Tammy were still in contact long after their public breakup, and that their relationship never truly ended. He presents screenshots of alleged text messages, voice recordings, and old photos as proof that their romance continued behind the scenes. The alleged messages hint at late-night conversations, unresolved feelings, and even a possible reconciliation attempt that was allegedly thwarted by Tammy's management team. This revelation, if true, contradicts the narrative presented in recent seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, where Tammy was portrayed as moving on and focusing on her personal health journey, including her dramatic weight loss and time spent in a rehabilitation facility. Tammy, for her part, has remained largely silent on the resurfacing of her ex. Known for her candidness on social media, her refusal to directly address Philip's claims has only fueled speculation. Fans have scoured her TikTok and Instagram for clues, noting that while she hasn't responded directly, some of her cryptic posts and lip-synced videos seem to be aimed at someone from her past. "I don't need you," one video caption read, accompanied by a fierce stare and middle finger emoji. Whether this was a message to Philip or just a general mood post remains up for interpretation. Close sources to Tammy, however, suggest that she is deeply upset by the reappearance of Philip and feels betrayed by his decision to publicly air personal details of their relationship. Meanwhile, Tammy's family, particularly her sister Amy Slaton, hasn't held back. In a now-deleted Facebook post, Amy slammed Philip for clout chasing and exploiting Tammy's struggles for attention. She wrote, "We've seen this before. He shows up when the cameras are rolling, disappears when things get hard. Tammy's come so far, she don't need this drama." Fans quickly rallied behind Amy, applauding her protective stance and using hashtags like #ProtectAmy and #KingHo to show their support. Other family members have hinted that Philip's return could even jeopardize future filming for the show, as Tammy reportedly has a clause in her contract restricting her interactions with former cast members who have caused emotional distress. Adding another layer of chaos to the situation, Phillip has hinted at releasing a tell-all interview or possibly writing a book detailing his side of the relations. Hip. In one live stream, he teased, "Y'all ain't ready for the truth. They tried to shut me up. But nah, I got receipts. I was there. I know what really happened. This ain't about Tammy no more. This about telling my truth." While no official deals have been announced, rumors have swirled that several podcast hosts and YouTube creators have reached out to feature Phillip in upcoming exposés. The Slayton fan community is now deeply divided. On one side are the loyal supporters who view Phillip as nothing more than a toxic ex exploiting Tammy's fame for another round of headlines. On the other are those who argue that reality TV often distorts real people's lives and that perhaps Phillip's resurfacing is a necessary reckoning with the darker side of production. Questions about consent, portrayal, and the long-term psychological impact of reality television fame are now being debated more fiercely than ever. This resurgence of drama comes at a particularly critical time for Tammy. After years of struggling with extreme obesity, respiratory failure, and addiction to food and alcohol, she has made incredible progress. Viewer witnessed her complete a stint at a weight loss rehab center, shed hundreds of pounds, undergo surgery, and return home with a renewed sense of purpose. Her transformation, both physical and emotional, was seen as a triumph, proof that even those facing the most daunting odds could reclaim their lives. But with Phillip's return dredging up the past, many fear that this new wave of stress could threaten the delicate balance Tammy has worked so hard to maintain. The emotional fallout from the resurfacing has not been limited to just Tammy. Several 1000LB sisters, cast members, including close friend Caleb Willingham before his passing, had previously voiced concerns about Tammy's pattern of attracting unhealthy relationships. Caleb, who briefly became Tammy's husband before his untimely death, had reportedly warned her against falling back into old patterns of seeking validation from toxic men. In hindsight, his warnings now feel eerily prophetic. Fans have circulated clips of Caleb discussing the importance of self-worth, with many suggesting that Tammy should remember those lessons now more than ever. Despite the chaos, some insiders suggest that TLC executives may view this drama as an opportunity rather than a threat. With interest in the show peaking once again thanks to Phillip's wild claims, there is speculation that producers could be considering bringing him back, if only for a brief appearance to address the controversy. Such a move would undoubtedly drive ratings but could come at a high personal cost for Tammy. Whether she would agree to such a confrontation remains to be seen, but one thing is certain, the drama has breathed new life into a show that thrives on raw emotion, messy relationships, and real-life stakes. While the internet continues to buzz with every new video, deleted comment, and vague post, Tammy's focus appears to remain on her healing journey. Friends say she's leaning heavily on her inner circle and has even resumed therapy to help process the emotional fallout of her ex's return. She's also said to be prioritizing self-care, leaning into her hobbies like makeup tutorials, cooking videos, and fan Q&A sessions, offering her followers glimpses of a woman determined to rise above the noise. Still, the shadow of her past, and the man who refuses to let it go, looms large. As the story continues to unfold, viewers are left grappling with a difficult question: can Tammy Slayton truly escape the ghosts of her past, or will she always be dragged back into the drama that made her a household name? With her exes resurfacing, reigniting old battles and introducing new challenges, one thing is clear: life after reality TV isn't always as sweet as the spotlight suggests. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000LB's YouTube channel for more update news.